Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Today I'm going to be doing a wig tutorial for you guys, and this one is going to be so simple, so easy, you won't believe it. The wig that I'm going to be reviewing is from this company called Gorgius Wig. Of course, I've worked with them before and I really like their wigs. It's like really good quality. In the box I got this stocking cap, of course, with my wig and also some other stuff that's in this pouch right here. And inside of the pouch I have, let's see, this elastic band right here. I guess it will come in handy one day, I don't know. And let's see what else I have in here. I have, okay, these clips. I get these sometimes. Sometimes I do use them, but they usually just sit in my drawer. And I got this tweezer also. And I got these pins. I think they're called ear pins. Yeah. I got these hair pins. And also I got this edge brush, of course. And I think that's the last thing I got with the wig, which is in this bag right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip in the bag, of course, take the wig out and show it to you guys. So this is the wig, guys. It is a bob wig, as you can see, with a bang. And I love me some bob wigs, and I absolutely love bangs. So this wig right here is definitely a must-have for me. As you can see on the top where I'm showing you guys, it looks like your skin. It has a lace on top, which makes it looks real natural when you put it on. It also has two clips on the sides. It has a elastic band in it that will help with supporting the wig on your head. It has another clip in the back and another one in the top. I don't use the clips, of course. Sometimes I feel like just cutting them off the wigs because I usually don't use them, but I usually just keep them on just in case I end up giving my wigs to somebody else. But this is a wig, guys. I'm gonna try it on to see what it looks like and what I really need to do with it before finishing it up, because when you get your wig out the bag, it's not gonna look perfect at first, so you have to do something to it to make it yours, to fix it up. So for that reason, I usually try them on to see what I need to do to it before I even start doing anything. And right away, I noticed that my bangs isn't banging like it should. And the rest of the hair is not flowing like I want it to. So I know I'm gonna have to use my flat iron to fix this up. So I'm gonna take it back off, put it on my mannequin head, and fix it up how I want it, because I don't want to do all that on my head if I have the option of doing it on the mannequin, the mannequin head. So here we are, guys. I'm gonna go over it with my flat iron, but before I start doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and add some of this edge wax stick on it. This will help to smooth the hair out even better and have it laying nice and flat how I want it. So I usually rub it onto my hands to rub it on the rest of the hair, but I'm applying some around the parting first, so the hair around the parting will lay nice and flat. Now I'm gonna get started with flat ironing the hair, and I'm gonna be taking out small sections going all the way around it. I'm all done straightening the hair, and you could see how much better it looks. So now I'm gonna use my flat iron and go over the center where the part is, and this is gonna help to keep it laying flat and keep it in place. After putting the wig back on and set it in place how I like it, I then went back over it with my flat iron just to frame it to my face, since I did all the flat ironing on the mannequin head. So this will make it work more for me and with my face shape. So yeah, this is all I have to do to the wig, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and change my shirt, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. So look at the top, you guys, how it looks so much like my real scalp. Oh my goodness, like I absolutely love this wig. And I don't know, for some reason, I'm just obsessed with bangs. Like, for real, real. Whether it be short, long, I don't care. I love bangs. And this one is flawless. Flawless, flawless, flawless. So yes, guys, this wig is from Gorgius Wigs, and I will link all the information in the description box so you guys could check them out, so you guys could find this wig if you're interested, of course. And all the details will be in the description box, so definitely check that out. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Bye bye. Bye guys.